Hello all. Next concept in Python is the Python operators. In Python operators, we have arithmetic operators. So what are the arithmetic operator? Addition. Addition means we can add the values. We can add values on either side of the operands. Consider this example here. Here to subtraction means subtract the right hand side value with the left hand side value. Right hand side operand from left hand side operand. Next one is the next in the same Python operators in mathematic operators. And the next one is the multiplication. Multiplication means multiplies values on either side of the operands. And next one is the 9 by 4 is 4. Next one division. Division divides the left operand from right by right operand. Example n by 3 is equal to 3. And next one is the same in these Python operators. Next one is the modulus. Modulus means it divides left operand with by the right operand and returns the remainder. Here returns the remainder value, like here 5 by 4 is modulus 4 equal to 1. Exponent means performs exponent operations on operators on 10 power of 20. Here the power 10 is power of 20, that is exponent. And next one is the Python operators in a flow division. That means the division of the operands where the result is a quotient in which digits after the decimal point are removed. 9 by 2 is equal to 4.